Alright guys, we are going in with our Mary Jo K Kylie lipstick lip liner and placing that on our lips. As you can see, I already did half of my face. I did a basic smoky eye, so you can do whatever you like, whatever style you think is best, but I just did a little contoured smoky eye. So right here I'm taking this cream makeup and placing it on the side because we're going to go back with this in a second. I am going to take my NYX eyebrow pencil in white pearl and we are going to start outlining our eyeball. As you can see, I am looking down because I'm looking at a picture of Venom's eye and I'm trying to mimic his eye shape. It's a very evil looking eye shape if you guys check it out on Google, and I try my best to mimic the same shape. Now this eyebrow pencil didn't work as well, so I did the best I could. I probably could have had another eyeliner pencil, but whatever. So I'm going to take my flat brush right here and we're going to fill in this eyeball with white. This cream that I bought at the Halloween store is actually trash. I feel like I could have found a better one, but I thought this would be good, but it wasn't. And now I'm going in with my NYX Milk pencil and filling that eye space over because that cream was actually drying out on me and flaking. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just filling it back in another layer and trying to make it look really smooth. Don't worry if you're messing up in this part and it's not precise, because the next step we're going to take a black eyeliner and outline the shape of the eyeball. So right here, be very, very careful because if you get the black part into the white, you're pretty much doomed because you can't take that part out. So just be very, very careful. I fast forwarded this part so it looks like I'm doing it really fast, but I actually did this really, really, really slow. And you can technically outline or create the eyeball first with the eyeliner, but in art, they say always go from light colors to dark colors so you don't mess up. So now I'm taking this black cream, which is the same brand as the white, but it's just much better and more smooth and creamy. And I'm going to paint half of my face black. And don't worry if you see sparse areas like that right there, because we're going to go in with a second layer as soon as we finish creating our mouth and teeth. So now I'm going back in with my NYX Milk eyeliner, and right here I'm kind of jumping all over the place because I haven't decided what to do first. So I just went in with making the teeth, and this is actually really hard to make the teeth just with the jumbo eyeliner pencil. So what I'm gonna do next is take my felt tip eyeliner. Sorry guys, I can't talk today. Felt tip eyeliner, and we're going to create the outline of the mouth. That way we know where to place our teeth, which is, you know, much smarter. Do this first guys, because I'm just a little slow sometimes. So I created the mouth right here, and I actually made this line too low, the first line too low, so I created a second line and I just went back and cleaned up the other one. Right here I'm creating the outline of the teeth, each individual teeth. With the teeth, you want to make sure the teeth are very pointy, because the more pointy they are, the scarier it'll look. The shorter they are, they don't look as scary, but you can still make them short if you want to, but I just prefer longer and pointier. It looks scary. So I just, right here I just created more teeth. So now I'm taking this white cream and I put a little bit of baby oil and mixed it to try to get a little bit loose, but that didn't really work. So I decided to go back in with my Milk eyeliner and fill all of the teeth in. This part's going to take a good amount of time, so I just fast forward it for you guys. Right here, I'm going back in with a second layer to cover the sparse areas. Second layer seemed to do the trick, so 2 layers would be perfect with this type of makeup. And my camera actually stopped recording when I started doing the little, what are these called? Branches, where basically where it's taking over the other part of my face. But I'll go over it with you guys right here. I just took my felt tip eyeliner and created these little wide looking strings. Basically just drag it over very lightly to the skin side, and it'll look like Venom is slowly taking over the human. See right here, if you guys zoom in, you'll be able to see the little Y shape. Some areas you want to put a little bit more pressure, some areas you want to go light pressure, that way it'll be very thin. And right now, instead of wanting a straight line down my face where it's a distinct difference between each side, I kind of want it to look more homogeneous, so I added a little bit more shape to this center of the line. So it didn't look too, you know, you guys get what I'm saying. You guys get what I'm saying. So I just did this for the rest of the face. And now I'm going to take my NYX red lip gloss. You can really take any red lip gloss, or you can buy the fake blood that they sell at the Halloween shops. But I had this lip gloss on hand, and I feel like gloss is shinier and it'll make it look like real blood. So I just got my lipstick pencil right here, or my lipstick brush, and just place it on my brush and strategically place it on each teeth. You want to make it look real as possible, so you don't want to be too precise with this, but place it where it looks like Venom actually bit into something. And that is it for my video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helped. I hope you guys like the creativity. When I post it on Instagram tomorrow, I hope you guys leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think.